Serenity Lounge in Wooddale, Illinois. I'm here with the owners, Jim and Jim Sr. Jim, tell me a little bit about Friday nights here at Serenity.
Well, Tony, we have Friday nights. We have a free after-work buffet from 5 to 7.
Did you say free?
Free.
Nice. That sounds good. What do you got for music?
We have our Flashback Fridays. We got the best of the 80s and 90s, and our DJs are really rocking on Friday.
Tell me what's coming up in June.
Well, we got a lot of stuff coming up in June, a lot of new surprises. We're going to try something new starting Wednesdays, June 4th. It's going to be a true house music night, like downtown, something you'd see at some of the poshest clubs downtown. Lights going to be low, candles, incense, the whole thing. We're going to have rotating DJs. It's going to be hosted by Rick Fabris. He's one of the hottest Chicagoland DJs. Starts June 4th.
Right on. Now, hey, if somebody wants to have a private party here, what do they need to do?
Just call me or email me, jimmy@serenity-lounge.com, or call the club, 630-350-1844 anytime. We do private parties, we do birthday parties, bachelorette parties, corporate events, you name it, we can handle it.
Well, thanks so much for letting us be at your place tonight and for hosting the After Dark Dance-Off.
We love it.
I can't wait till June 4th. I'll be here that night.
Awesome, very cool.
This is Tony O with Chi-Town and Mix, Serenity Lounge in Wooddale, Illinois. Come on by and say hi. Friday night, flashbacks. It's a great time. We'll see you guys.